All right, so we're going to do today notes, algebraic, and verbal expressions. That should go on page 3 in your notebook. First one, algebraic expressions. It's the sum and or the product of numbers and variables. Let's see if we can highlight this. Aha, perfect. Next word, term. They make up what we like to call an expression. We'll highlight that. Next one is a variable. It's a letter or symbol that takes the place of things that change. Okay, we'll go through some examples now. In your homework, I know you're going to have to do some explaining on what's an expression, how many terms does it have, so on and so forth. So for example, 2x is an expression because it is the product of a number and variable. It's the product of 2 and x. And it's made of one term. 5 plus 1.75n is an expression made of 2 terms. 5 is a number, and then 1.75 times n is a product of a number and a variable. Four x squared plus 2x minus 8. This is also an expression made of 3 terms. 4x squared is a term, 2x is a term, and the minus 8 is a term. Okay, next one I want to talk about is a constant term. It's a number that does not change. It's constant, meaning it does not have a variable. Highlight that. Some examples. 5 plus the 1.75n is an expression made of two terms. The 5 is the constant because there's no variable. The 2x plus 3 is an expression made of two terms. The 2x is a term, the 3 is a term, but it happens to be called a constant because there's no variable. Okay, stop here.